Ryan Johansson not on either the first or second power play, and I'm not sure if there's anything to read into there.
Set ahead. Here comes Kimi Raanta busting through. Shoots and scores!